Several Aedes aegypti mosquito specimens, from juveniles to full adults, spend their lives with and are even fed by Dr. Chadee and veteran lab technician Ray Martinez. What they learn from the pests in the lab at the University of the West Indies is more important than providing them a home. Dr. Chadee's found that the spread of chikungunya is following a pattern similar to the introduction of dengue in Trinidad and Tobago. He says the population holds the key to the spread of the disease, as householders often provide the perfect environment in which the mosquitoes can feed, breed, and thrive. Still, there's been some speculation in medical waiting rooms that mosquitoes aren't the cause of the virus, and in this regard, Dr. Chadee says health education must be able to both engage and inform the population at the same time.
There should not be denial that there is a problem.
He says reports of just upwards of 100 confirmed cases of Chik in Trinidad and 205 in Tobago do not paint the whole picture and should have come with further explanation.
All of these things are what in epidemiology we call the tip of the iceberg. So, for example, if you get 200, it's really 600.
Part of a well-rounded chikungunya education is found in his research and its conclusions, what he calls common sense strategies. Dr. Chadee is urging the authorities to spread the proper information so that speculation does not form part of the discourse. According to his research, 90% of mosquitoes around households can be found in the bedroom at evening.
If you spray the internal walls of bedrooms, the mosquitoes will have no resting place, and therefore they will die.
He says due to the direct exposure of vacant lots to sunlight and a poor food supply, the Aedes aegypti is hardly able to breed in those environments.
There's no real evidence that these vacant lots do harbor immature stages. They may harbor adult mosquitoes and may harbor mosquitoes of other species.
However, there's a strong case for source reduction. But he says in the interest of efficacy, this prong of the attack should be implemented around festivals when everyone is cleaning anyway. As part of his research, Dr. Chadee's developed the double sticky and GATT mosquito traps, which have been proven to effectively lure the insects to their death. According to what Dr. Chadee's research proffers, the government's stated strategies have missed the mark. But he says the university stands ready to work closely with any Ministry of Health or Vector Control Department in the region.
Unfortunately, it's not been adopted here. But, you know, we stand firm by our commitment to continue our research, and that's all we can do.
Jovan Ravello, TV6 News.